What up, guys? This is my fishing vlog for Quemado Lake. I will be fly fishing for trout. This lake is about 2 hours away from where I live in Socorro, New Mexico, and it is one of my favorite fishing spots that was shown to me by a coworker. So I've caught the most trout at this lake in a single day, so I'm going back, seeing if I could test my luck again, catch some trout, and do a cook and catch while we're there. So we've just hit the road, about an hour and a half left to the lake. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog, maybe see the spot. Let's catch some trout. And just like that, an hour out, we are in the Alpines. Look at that. Look at those trees. Look at those rocks. It's so cool. An hour ago we were in a desert. Now we're in trees and stuff. I love trees. There we are. We have arrived at Quemado Lake. Coming up over this hill will be the lake. Wow. So we've arrived at Quemado Lake. The lake is on our right here, but we'll be going to the back side of the lake for our fishing. Wow, look at that, there it is. So the lake is directly behind us, but we are going to set up at El Caso campground and hike on over to our little fishing spot. Here we are, El Caso. So we're gonna turn into here. This is a free campground, which is super cool. There's no cost to stay here, and there is a bathroom amenity. But we will be heading on over all the way to the back here to this gate and trailhead parking. Perfect. All right, I've got my chair, my rod, and we're doing our hike over Cliff Bar. But hiking down about maybe half a mile to the spot, parked back there, and all kitted out, everything I need to catch and cook. So shortly we'll be coming up on the lake and I will show that. We've arrived. There's the beautiful lake, just a little ways up. We'll set up camp right probably near that bank over there. Stuff. So we're set up, we're ready. We're almost to our spot. There's a little mesa straight ahead. One of these days me and my buddy want to go up and camp up there, but that day is not today. Just over these trees is the lake and my personal favorite fishing spot. Check this out. Wow, you can start to see the lake through the trees. What a beautiful spot. Wow. We got the whole lake to ourselves today too. That's one of the pros of a remote location. It's a pain in the ass to get out here, but if you do make it out here, chances are you'll have the whole lake to yourself. Wow. You made it. Look at these plants. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful lake. Now another soul in sight. Woo! Wow. Wow. We've made it to Quemado Lake. This is it. This is my favorite spot right on this side of the lake. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Oh baby! Oh baby! Fish on! Hell yeah, boys! We got one, boys! A rainbow trout right here, right in the gill too. Oh, what a good, looking pretty good. Couple inches maybe, 12 inches. Pretty good trout, rainbow trout right here. Oh shit! Oh yeah, boys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Here we go! Here we go! Oh, you slippery fella! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! Look at this beauty! Look at this beauty! Sorry, but he's gonna be dinner. Oh shit! Fish on! Fish on! Oh, maybe. Wear him out. Wear him out. Bring him in. Bring him in slowly. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, damn. Damn. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Oh my goodness. Look at that beaut. Look at that beaut. That's gotta be another 12-incher. Oh. Yeah. Oh god. Golly. Oh, that is good. Fish on again. Look at it go. Oh, come on. Wear him out. Reel it in slow. Fight him. Get out. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Number 3. Oh wow. Gotta pose for the pic. Dude, look at that beaut. God damn. Wow. Alright, doing our catch and cook. We got onion, garlic powder, paprika, lemon pepper, olive oil and butter, and salt and pepper. That's it. To do it one-handed, but I got the butter in, cover in olive oil. Now we got the onion.